Not all plastics are created equal. So this is a standard plastic fork that originated from fossil fuels, oil, petroleum that's pumped out of the ground. Okay. This, though, is a corn-based plastic and has the same function. It's a little floppier, but same function. It's a fork. And its origin material is renewable corn. So anything that can be grown like wood or cotton, starch, sugar, corn, these are desirable because they're not originating from a fossil fuel. One issue, though, with these two forks is this standard plastic can go into standard recycling. So plastic recycling, single stream recycling, the blue bin. This corn-based plastic that's renewable material has to go into the green bin. That's compost. This is compostable. It will easily biodegrade, but it won't be recycled easily. So this plastic fork and this plastic fork, this should have a different outcome as far as what to do when you're done with it. So this would go into the green bin, this would go into the blue bin, and neither should go into the black bin. Okay, using fewer resources in forming it, renewable resources, but also takes a little less energy. And so the other nice thing is they tend to be less toxic and not have unnatural atoms. Natural atoms are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, but they don't tend to have the chlorine or fluorine like Teflon and saran wrap have. Have you seen this type of plastic cup, which is very similar to this type of plastic cup? So this plastic cup is very common. It's durable, it's inexpensive, it's lightweight, it's clear, and this is plastic number 1, PET. This is the most common plastic that's also used in water and soda bottles. This, though, is an option that replaces PET that has the starting material that is this renewable type of plastic. So this is called PLA, polylactic acid. The monomer is lactic acid. And so it is a little bit softer, a little bit floppier, just like these two forks. This fork is a little bit floppier, but it has the same function. The fork used for eating, cup used for drinking, and what is the bonus is that it's a renewable source of the monomer. So it's pretty common. It's used in plasticware, cups. It's also food packaging, coatings. And the thing to remember is that this is not the same. These two cups are not the same. And this is the recycling symbol should be a guide, which is instead of having a number in the center of the recycling symbol, there's a corn. And this is also PLA, for the acronym for short, for polylactic acid. So it's something to keep in mind when you come across this type of cup or this type of fork that's a little floppier than your standard plastic version, that this recycling symbol will remind you that this should not go into the blue bin, it goes into the green bin.